Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Subscribe to the channel, get new and interesting video and press the bell button. Please like, comments and share. Let's go. Step keyboard. Step review, the world most available super controller for hand-free typing in this assemble. I shall share the step unboxing wearable keyboard for iPhone artists, ready to take your artwork to the next level. With Tape Sport, we can control your iPad and app like Procreate or Photoshop without touch the screen. What really cool in that you can customize it to do what you want. Tape is a wearable keyboard, mouse and game controller. You can use on any Bluetooth enabled computer or phone IRL. In AR or view, we have searched lot of future keyboard and mouse Photoshop, but most of them never launched due to any XYZ reason. But today we have Tape with which is a wearable keyboard and mouse. So let's find out more about the unique gadget. Lumi keys. This is Platon for piano. Lumi keys by Royal in multi-layer efforts to teaching piano with a rainbow mind keyboard, interactive video lens, games and best library of this song. See the newest game coming to the Limbo apps. Springboard, a platform jumping, collect, bridgegate, cars experience have how Limo work for bridging and those with music experience, and how a few days with Limo got here back in this spring for playing the keyboard. Royal main spelling point in this Limo keyboard is the perfect device to learn to play the piano. It comes with an app with handles for song from classical to platform. The app has interactive lesson on search, choose and playing target. The Limo apps can set single to the Limo key to light up especially key.